Shielded metal arc welding (SMAW) is a welding process that uses a flux-covered metal electrode to carry an electrical current. The current forms an arc across the gap between the end of the electrode and the work. The electric arc creates sufficient heat to melt both the electrode and the work. Molten metal from the electrode travels across the air to the molten pool on the base metal, where they mix together. The end of the electrode and molten pool of metal is surrounded, purified, and protected by a gaseous cloud and a covering of molten flux produced as the flux coating of the electrode burns or vaporizes. As the arc moves away, the mixture of molten electrode and base metal solidifies and becomes one piece. At the same time, the molten flux solidifies, forming a solid slag. Some electrode types produce heavier slag coverings than others. SMAW is a widely used welding process because of its low cost, flexibility, portability, and versatility. The machine and the electrodes are low in cost. The machine itself can be as simple as a 110-volt, step-down transformer. The electrodes are available from a large number of manufacturers in packages from 1 pound (0.5 kilograms) to 50 pounds (22 kilograms). The SMAW process is very versatile because the same SMA welding machine can be used to make a wide variety of weld joint designs in a wide variety of metal types and thicknesses, and in all positions. Joint designs in addition to the standard butt, lap, T, and outside corner joints. At some time SMAW has been certified to be used to weld every possible joint design. Metal types. Although mild steel is the most commonly welded metal, a wide variety of electrode types allow SMA to be used to weld and hard face almost any metal or alloy, including cast iron, aluminum, stainless steel, and nickel. Metal thickness. Metal as thin as 16 gauge, approximately 1/16 in. 2 mm thick up to several feet thick, can be SMA welded. Thanks for watching.
ARASHA, informative channel. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon.